water, and then you'll climb the bank on the other side to the right.
To the far right?
Yeah, you'll see it over here. You can kind of see the bank.
Where Mike went in?
No, no. This isn't where Mike went in. It's generally got a good solid bottom. Feels like a good bottom. Oh yeah, that's great. Welcome back, everybody. Chad from the right line. We're out running Rocker Panel Pass. It'd be terrible back here when it gets all muddy and nasty. Ooh, nice climb. Ooh, I like it. So Joseph and I are riding with Jim tonight. We decided not to drive Chewy. And riding along is always fun, and it gives me an opportunity to do some cool videoing. What's the problem?
I needed my booster seat.
Your booster seat?
Yeah. Bar. I can't see over it.
Okay. So you're sitting on a booster seat? Okay.
Booster seat.
Oh, I see it.
Makes my ass higher.
Makes your ass higher. We did come back here that one time and we found I think it was a Cherokee. Blew up the rear diff on an obstacle and then blew up the front diff on the obstacle on the recovery on the way out. That's stoked.
How do you drive out?
The people that were with him had to drag him out.
Branch on my hood. I didn't even know it.
Oh yeah, you do. Piece of cake. Okay, hard driver. This to clear your diff. Keep coming, driver. Yes, he's clear of it. He's really clear of it now. Nice. Looking good so far. Oh, that's looking great. Yeah, keep that line. Looking good. I think if you turn driver, you can come down. Yeah, it's looking good. Now driver. Nice and slow. You're gonna come down on that passenger side. Okay, back passenger. Hard passenger. That's it. That's it. Just nice, easy throttle. Okay, go ahead and lock your front. Come on forward, nice and slow. Rear lock? Yeah, his rear's locked. That's it, nice and slow. Coming up in the rear. Beautiful. Okay, turn back driver just a smidge and unlock your front. Okay, start turning driver. Right there, come on up. Nice Nicely done. Nice and slow. You might reach out, pull that mirror in. Okay, nice and easy. Little driver. Looking good. Come on through. Looking good. Okay, driver and roll forward. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can I have my lights now?
Yep.
Okay, so on this one, I'm gonna be to the left.
You see where that white line on this rock is here?
Yeah.
Go to about a foot down below it. Right there.
Okay.
Yep. Follow that line right through. Looking good there, Bruce. Yeah, beautiful. Hey, Bruce, this is gonna feel a little weird. Beautiful. Come on up. Back driver. Back driver. That's it. Looking good. Come more driver as you can. Beautiful. Right there. Come on up. Nice and slow. Just a walk in the park. That looks beautiful, Jim. Look at that. He one-shotted it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, now driver. Easy does it. Easy does it. Oh, stop. Turn back driver. Turn driver back up. More. A little bit more. Okay. Turn passenger and go forward. Looking good so far. Easy does it. Easy does it. Okay, now driver. Okay, now turn driver. Driver. Drive it right up. What's up?
I let off.
Okay, so turn passenger as you're backing down.
Just gonna try to
Oh,
get
okay.
a little bit more.
All right. There you go. Now you got it. Yeah, hold that line. Hold that line. Beautiful job. If you go up that way, you got to stay up more than you think, because otherwise your door is going to be in this big rock.
Oh, I can't go over that rock.
You can. I don't know if it's going to move, but you can try it. All right, come back to the driver. Right there. That's perfect. That's perfect. Right there. Okay, good. Easy does it. Easy does it.
Now, can I go straight?
Yeah, you can. Just go slow. Easy does it. I don't want you to come down in your door.
Man, slipping off to the right.
If you can crawl it slowly and keep it turned driver, you won't go into your door. There it is. Easy does it. Ah, well, that's all right. That's okay. It's not bad. Right there. Come.
My lock around?
Rear one.
I got the rear one.
Turn the front one on. As you crawl up here, turn it off, because you'll need to turn. There it is. Now turn driver, turn driver, turn driver. That's it. In just a minute. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. There we go. Easy does it. That rocker panel's gotten a little harder.
Definitely interesting.
Yeah.
You want to go straight, right?
Correct.
Not that way.
Correct. Yep, there's the marker.
No
we were gonna go swamp wheeling tonight.
Swamp wheeling. Hell yeah, that's fun.
Swealing.
Call it Swealing. We finished up our trail. We're getting aired up. Then we're gonna head back to camp, call it a night. It's midnight, had a blast. Rocker panels changed quite a bit. Thanks for watching, by the way. If you like what you see, hit the share button down below. Definitely give a thumbs up. See you again next time.